So, good morning, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is Nagkadi Parungaw, Section J2B. I'm here now to discuss about about the stress and the measures on board to counteract the effect of the ship stresses. So, common ship stresses. So, hugging occurs when the ship's center experiences upward buoyant forces due to being supported by a wave crest, while the bow and stern are subject to the downward force from the weight of the ship. The ship keels bends upward in a center stressing upper deck and tension and the bottom and compression. So, ang haging mahitabo kung ang tunga sa barko maalsa siya pataas tungod sa bawod. Then, ang bow ug stern maubos sila murag mabali ang barko. Then, ang tunga sa barko murag mapataas siya. Then, number 2, sagging happens when the bow and stern are supported by the wave crest, where the center of the ship is in a wave through causing downward forces in the center. To ang saging mao ni siya ang opposite sa haging. Kung ang haging ang tunga na part niya is pataas, ang saging kay paubos. Then ang bow stern niya musaka. Mao ni ang opposite sa haging. Then 3, shear forces. So shear forces occur when adjacent section of the ship experience unequal vertical forces, especially near the midship area or where weight distribution changes abruptly. So shear forces happen when different parts of the ship carry different weights or forces. So one part may be pushes up while another is pushed down. This usually happens near the middle of the ship. It can cause cracks and damage if too strong. So 4, torsional stress generated when the ship is subjected to twisting forces, often due to uneven weight action on the port and starboard side. So torsion maon ni kung ang barko matuyok or muliko tungod sa dili parehas ang persa on both side. Mahitabo ni siya kung dili parehas ang kakuskon sa bawd sa port or starboard. So one side may be higher than the other. The body of the ship twists slightly. So 5, punting alternating inward on outward movement of the hull plates near the bow and stern due to changes in water pressure as the ship's pitches encounter waves. So punting is the in and out movement of the ship's hull plates near the front bow or back the stern. This happens because of changes in water pressure when the ship moves through waves. The effect it can make the hull plate weak over time and cause cracks. 6, pounding, the repetitive and forceful impact of the bow and flat bottom sections of the hull against waves when the ship moves high speed in rosses. So 6 is pounding. Pounding happens when the front or bottom of the ship hits the waves hard, especially at high speed or in rosses. It can damage the bow or bottom parts of the ship. So 7, rocking, side-to-side distortion of the ship structure caused by rolling in heavy seas. Effect stresses the ship's sternburst frames or bulkheads. So 7, rocking. Rocking is the side-to-side twisting or distortion of the ship's structure caused by rolling in heavy seas. So the effect niya, it puts stress on the ship's frames and bulkheads. So that's all, sir. Thank you for watching.